Walt, and I just wanted to have a quick stock talk video. I want to emphasize the importance of the dividend. All right, the dividend is one of these asset classes where even during down stock markets, right? I know a lot of people love the glamorous growth stock and all this type of stuff, but when you're in a volatile market, most of the time, most of these institutional investors, they're going to go to safe havens. And what are those going to be? Treasuries, bonds, and dividend paying stocks, especially aristocrats and kings. If you look at my performance, right, a day ago, you see that I'm in the green, right? You can see it up here in the green. You look at the last month in the green, much higher than the S&P and the Dow Jones. You look at the year to date, same thing. You look at 5 years ago, a significant increase above the S&P and the Dow Jones and the bonds, right? Now, don't get me wrong, all of these are still great returns, but that power of that dividend is also going to pay you a great sum of money. Even when the market is down, you're going to get paid every quarter, right? If you look at these dividend stocks that I have right now, you see these amounts per share. This is the amount that every quarter, 4 times a year, I'm getting paid for every share I have for these stocks. And they all increase the dividend every year. I don't even have to buy any more, and I would get more money in the previous year than what I got this year. Look at the annual amounts. You're talking about $1,000 here, $400 there, 500, $700 for some of these stocks. With a total currently at $11,337.06. All right. I know a lot of times the dividend isn't as glamorous, but in the long run, when you retire, whether you retire early or you're in your 60s, your 70s, some people in their 80s, they ain't gonna be able to retire. You want to have income being generated. This is great income that you could be focusing on now, especially if you lose a job. Imagine getting $1,000 a month, just extra, right? If you have any questions, any comments, please leave them below and I will definitely answer them.